Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the lower dish rack roller assembly for this Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to models made by KitchenAid and Kenmore. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The lower dish rack roller assembly supports the lower dish rack as it rolls in and out of the dishwasher's tub. Over time, the rollers can crack, break, or wear down from the repeated weight and movement of the lower rack. A damaged roller can cause the rack to sit unevenly or drag along the tub floor. Replacing a worn lower dish rack roller assembly restores smooth rack movement and keeps the lower rack properly supported. The lower dish rack roller assembly from Parts Doctor comes with a bracket and two pre-installed wheels. The roller wheels are not designed to be replaced and not sold separately, so if a wheel is missing or broken, the entire assembly needs to be replaced. Each assembly is sold individually, so if you're replacing more than one, be sure to order the quantity that you need. If you need to purchase a replacement lower dish rack roller assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. No tools are needed for this repair. To replace the lower dish rack roller assembly, first, open the dishwasher's door and pull out and remove the bottom rack. On the damaged dish rack roller assembly, locate the two locking tabs between the wheels. Press one of the tabs in while applying downward pressure to the end of the assembly closest to the tab that you are releasing. The downward pressure helps hold the now released tab while you press in the second locking tab. Once you press in the second tab, the roller assembly should release from the lower rack. The old roller assembly can now be discarded. When purchasing a replacement lower dish rack roller assembly, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones that we sell at partsdoctor.com. We've included a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact fit. To install the new lower dish rack roller assembly, position the locking tabs facing inward toward the lower rack. Slide the assembly onto the rack rail. The alignment tabs at the end of the assembly should sit on the inside of the rack rail. Once the assembly is on the rail, rotate it towards the rack until the two locking tabs snap into place. Make sure that both tabs are locked over the lower rack's rail. If you're replacing one of the rear roller assemblies, be sure to insert the end of the adjustable lower rack tine row into the middle of the assembly body. Replace the lower rack and close the door. Your dishwasher is now ready to use. Alright, that'll do it for today's repair. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.